Today we start ourselves a new build, and for the first time on Scooter Bomb, a 4-stroke scooter. Never before. Not just any build either. This one here before me is the famous Honda Cree Scoopy. Very, very popular. In the US, it's known as the Honda Metropolitan. Alright, so what's the story with this little Honda Scoopy? First of all, it's a 2005 model. Second of all, it has an original 682 kilometers traveled. Freaking awesome. But the way you see it is the way I got it. Missing a lot of its plastics. The carburetor wasn't plugged in. It had no battery in it. The ECU is loose. So there's a fair bit going on with this bike. The good news, however, is it came with a whole second bike. This one in the photos here. This one's a Honda Metropolitan import model. Again, the way you see that is the way it came. Now, the guy that I purchased both these bikes from, he ran a motorcycle training school. And given that the carburetor is missing out of this bike and the other bike, it was loose, leads me to believe that there was some running issues with this bike. Maybe someone had dropped it, destroyed the plastics, and he was swapping the plastics from one to the other. I don't really know, but hey, there's enough plastics to make one good bike. So this episode, we're going to try and get this guy started, see if we can save him. Alright guys, just remember, we have a gift certificate on offer. One lucky winner will win this $200 gift certificate to scootertuning.ca. The rules are very simple. First of all, you need to have subscribed to the channel. Second of all, go back to this video here, like and comment on that video. And then to further up, you need to like and comment on every video since that video up until the draw date. The draw date is 24th of December 2023, Christmas Eve. Now, if you want a bonus entry, head over to Instagram at ScooterBomb and give me a like and a follow there as well. Very simple, in it to win it. $200 for nothing could be yours. Good luck. Alright guys, one more thing. Remember, if you're into scooters, you want to see them on Facebook, go to Custom Scooters Australia for all the best Aussie scooter content. So the Honda Cree Scoopy was Honda's answer to the classic Vespa. That's right, it was Vespa inspired. Now, it was powered by a 49cc 4-stroke engine that was speed limited to a dangerous 56 kilometers an hour. Like, why not 60? I mean, it sounds so much better. It was manufactured between 2002 to 2009, but I believe in Australia we only got them to 2006. It weighs a porky 79 kilos, but with all that weight down low, the fuel tank down the bottom, it actually makes for quite a nimble ride. To put that into comparison, 79 kilos is about the weight of a 2-year-old pig. Alright, it's not all bad news. These little Scoopies were a hit with the ladies, and that is exactly why we are building this one. Not to pick up chicks, but this is my wife's favourite scooter, and it's time we build my wife a scooter. Now, this isn't the first Honda Scoopy I've had. I've had quite a number in the past. I had this one here that we turned into a 171cc GY6 Ruckus. I had this one here that we turned into a 150cc GY6 Metruck. So I know my way around these little bikes, something that I'm very familiar with. Now, I've been given strict instructions. I'm not allowed to turn this bike into a GY6 Ruckus or a GY6 Metruck. This one, I've been told, has to stay 100% stock. So with this little Honda Scoopy sitting for God knows how long, honestly, it's been years since this bike started. Our first challenge is simply to get it to run. So that's what we're going to do this episode. We're going to try to get this little bike here running, but first of all, we've got to drain the fuel out of the fuel tank. Then we've got to plug in the battery. And then we're going to find the mess in this wiring harness. All right, battery is in. We've replaced the fuel in the fuel tank. We've got this dodgy shit going on with the battery and the wiring harness. So we're going to see if we can get this guy started, and this is literally the first go, right? I think that goes like that. It's very bodgy. We'll turn the key, and I heard a relay click, and there is a light on the dash, so that's a good thing. And we've got one indicator. We've got another indicator. They don't flash, probably because the ones at the back aren't in. Let's try the starter. No starter. Okay, it's clicking, the relay's clicking. Try the horn. Yep, we got horn. All right, try kick starting it. Hand on brakes. Wait, that almost started. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. Got a fuel leak, quite a good one, so we'll end it there. From here we can confirm the motor does run. It does run without a problem in terms there's no unusual noises, so I'm pretty confident that the motor is good. Here I'm going to start stripping down the carburetor again. I'm going to pull out the fuel tank, maybe have a look at the fuel pump. I do have a brand new fuel pump to put in it. We do have that fuel leak to resolve. I don't know where that's coming from. So I'm going to do that. Next episode, we're going to start putting this bad boy back together. Hopefully we get a fully running, complete Honda Scoopy back on the road next episode. But till then, guys, don't forget, there is the gift certificate on offer, $200 US to scootertuning.net to one lucky winner.